Hello and welcome to this Mayastar7 feature video. So today we're going to finish talking about the Arnold material features with something that was missing last time that I wanted to keep in its a separate video because it's important. It's the convert for SL export. So let's make a quick example. I'm going to create a cube. I'm going to assign to it the same materials we have created last time. Okay, so let's make this bigger. Okay, so as soon as we have created everything and done the baking and we're ready to export, one thing that we have to notice is that here in the attribute editor, you can see that the same exact order that I used to create and assign the materials here, brick, concrete, and Kodo, is the same order that you can find over here. And so bricks, concrete, and Kodo. So this translates when importing to Second Life in being the bricks material being phase 0, concrete phase 1, and Kodo phase 2. And for compatibility reasons, if you have to go back and rework your stuff, probably for an update and you already had done your heads-up display object and everything, all of the configurations are ready, basically. You want to make sure that the face assignment is still the same if you're going to re-upload this thing again. So here comes the convert for SL export. These materials here, the standard surface, cannot be exported for Second Life, and if you do, the upload most likely fails, and the best that can happen is that it's just corrupt. So yeah, we want to avoid such a occurrence. So with this feature here from the type standard surface that we have used so far, we can just use a Lambert that will be easily accepted by Second Life 1 once we're going to upload. So if I click there, you see that the shading changes and the type, the Lambert, has been, it's changed basically. So if I select this, you will see that the order is exactly the same. The bricks materials is the first, concrete material is the second, Kodo material is the third, and it still has the color texture attached to it, just to make it easier for you to identify things. Of course, if you have done the baking, you want to switch this to another, to the baked texture, of course. But you can see that things have been simplified quite a bit like this. All right, so then you can go in here and load your own baked texture, and you're done. You're good to go. So that you can preview your baked result directly on the mesh, and yeah, be ready to upload. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.